So in the freshman year, we believe it's a very difficult transition from 8th grade to 9th grade, and so we let the students settle in. If a student in their freshman year has a B+ in math, science, or English, they are invited into the Academy of Science. In the sophomore year, they are working in the Science Academy 1 class, and that class focused primarily about career exploration in science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. We are what is called a STEAM program. The reason why we're STEAM is art is very technical now. And especially in Southern California, we're one of the entertainment hubs in the United States. So we really focus on that area of the arts. So they get a lot of exposure to that. They get a lot of exposure of applied science and math. We have them working on projects, the sea bass in the classroom. That's where we raise Pacific white sea bass and release them in the ocean. That is biology, chemistry, and engineering that they have to do. In their junior year, they're invited to take a college class with myself. I teach 3 college classes on this campus, or an AP class, an advanced placement class. We encourage them at that point to go out and do internships. If you look at the other schools, you might see cool robotics or study labs. Our students are at the best labs in the world. We tell them to go to UCLA and do research on nanotechnology and solar energy. We tell them to go to Arizona State University and learn how LiDAR works for self-driving cars. So that's what we do. Last year we placed 140 students in different internships. In the senior year, after they finish their internships, they come and work with me, and they produce, this is a undergraduate research level poster. This is based off what is done at UCLA. This is for usually juniors and seniors in college do this. Your advanced students. These are all high school student posters. And I use college curriculum from San Diego State to instruct them how to do this. So, and then in October, they present their posters. Over 500 people attend at a poster session, again, based off how UCLA does it. And then after that, we work with them. I work with the students and the counselors to take that information from the posters and put it into their college admissions applications and scholarship applications. So that's our model.